Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's English Learning Podcast. Today, we're going to learn how to speak English with class. Speaking English with class does not mean using difficult words or speaking like a dictionary. It means speaking politely, confidently, and naturally. Many English learners think that they need a very advanced vocabulary to sound smart. However, native speakers often use simple words. The secret is choosing the right expressions, using a calm tone, and speaking respectfully. In this lesson, you will learn elegant English phrases, polite expressions, and real-life conversations that will help you sound more professional and confident. So, sit back, relax, and let's begin. Part 1. What does speak English with class mean? Speaking English with class means being polite, speaking clearly, showing respect, avoiding rude language, using professional expressions, listening carefully before responding. For example, instead of saying, "Give me that," say, "Could you please give me that?" Instead of saying, "I don't like it," say, "It's not really my preference." Notice the difference. The second version sounds more polite and sophisticated. Part 2. Classy greetings. Let's start with greetings. Casual. Hi. Hello. Hey. More classy. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. It's nice to see you. How have you been? I hope you're doing well. Examples. Good morning. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Hello. It's a pleasure to meet you. Good evening. How have you been lately? These expressions instantly make you sound more educated and professional. Part 3. Polite requests. Instead of giving direct commands, classy speakers make polite requests. Basic. Open the door. Classy. Could you open the door, please? Would you mind opening the door? Would you be kind enough to open the door? Examples. Could you help me with this report, please? Would you mind explaining that again? Would you be kind enough to send me the details? Part 4. Elegant alternatives to common words. Instead of good,
Use.
excellent, wonderful, outstanding, remarkable, impressive. Examples. The presentation was excellent. Your work is remarkable. That's an impressive achievement. Instead of bad,
Use.
unfortunate, disappointing, unsatisfactory, inappropriate. Examples. The result was disappointing. That was rather unfortunate. The service was unsatisfactory. Instead of very beautiful.
Use.
Elegant, stunning, graceful, magnificent. Examples. She looks elegant. The building is magnificent. The view is stunning. Part 5. Classy conversation phrases. Here are some expressions that educated native speakers use regularly. I completely understand. That's an interesting point. I appreciate your opinion. You make a good point. I couldn't agree more. That's certainly worth considering. I respect your perspective. Examples. I appreciate your opinion, but I see things differently. That's certainly worth considering. You make a very good point. Part 6. Speaking professionally at work. Imagine you are in an office. Avoid. I don't know. Try. I'm not entirely sure, but I'll find out. Avoid. That's not my job. Try. Let me see how I can help. Avoid. You're wrong. Try. I see your point, but I have a different perspective. Examples. I'm not entirely sure about that. Let me check and get back to you. I see your point. However, there may be another solution. Thank you for bringing this to my attention. Part 7. Classy responses in daily life. When someone compliments you, avoid. Yeah, I know. Say, thank you. That's very kind of you. Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you for your thoughtful words. Examples. Thank you. That's very kind of you to say. I truly appreciate your compliment. Part 8. How to disagree politely. Smart people do not argue aggressively. Instead of, "You're wrong,"
Use.
"I respectfully disagree. I see it differently." That's an interesting perspective. I understand your point, but I have another view. Examples. I understand your point, but I see the situation differently. I respectfully disagree with that opinion. That's an interesting perspective. Part 9. Daily Practice Dialogue. Conversation 1. A. Good morning. How have you been? B. I've been very well, thank you. How about you? A. I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. B. It's always nice to see you. Conversation 2. A. Could you help me with this project? B. Certainly. I'd be happy to help. Thank you. I really appreciate it. B. You're most welcome. Conversation 3. A. Yay, your presentation was excellent. B. Thank you very much. That's very kind of you. A. You explained everything clearly. B. I appreciate your feedback. Part 10. Powerful classy sentences. Repeat after me. I appreciate your time. It's a pleasure to meet you. Thank you for your understanding. I completely agree. I respectfully disagree. That's an excellent idea. I value your opinion. I hope everything goes well. Thank you for your support. I look forward to hearing from you. These sentences are commonly used by confident English speakers. Part 11. Confidence tips. To speak English with class. Speak slowly. Pronounce words clearly. Smile while speaking. Listen carefully. Avoid slang in formal situations. Use polite expressions. Practice every day. Remember, confidence is more important than perfection. Even native speakers make mistakes. The goal is effective communication, not perfection. Start using these phrases in your daily conversations. Speak slowly. Speak confidently. And most importantly, never stop practicing. Thank you for listening to today's English Learning Podcast. Have a wonderful day. Keep learning, keep improving, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye and take care.